So I just replaced one of these taillights on a 2023 Toyota Venza. When they do break, this is going to be your backup light, and this is going to be your turn signal. The funny thing is, where these are located, your turn signals, you would expect them to be up maybe a little higher up here, but it's not. So reverse lights are down here, and then your turn signals and four ways are also down here right on the bumper. Now when you do order one of these, if this is broken, you want to replace the plastic piece, you can replace the plastic piece. The bulbs on the back, they're not regular bulbs, they're specifically made for this. They look like this. This is going to be a turn signal. Comes with a connection like that, very simple. If it heats up, it's got these fins here, which are like cooling fins. Nothing special about this except the price. This cost me $120. So you're looking about 120 bucks for one turn signal. So if it does break or anything like that, you're looking at a turn signal that is worth about 120 bucks. So yeah, I can see why people go aftermarket instead of going through the OEM. I definitely went through the OEM one. It's made in Kyoto, Japan. It's 81965-48030, and they call it the LED socket. In order for you to put this on there, what you have to do, you have to go in here. And this is a quick run through of the things that we're gonna take apart. You'll take off this 10 millimeter here. Obviously it mimics on the other side. You have to take the cover, a 10 millimeter there. You have to take this Phillips, and you need to go on the other side, pull these tabs to include this little tiny one here. And they're like little plastic tabs. This one's just pretty dirty. You'll take this one off. Once you take that one off, you'll take additional 3 more, which are kind of hidden. 1, 2, and there's a 3rd one there. It went missing. And then there's a 4th one in the bottom down here. So you take all 4 of those. When all 4 of those are out, you'll be able to pull the bumper and it'll fall off, and you'll have access to that. On the bottom also, there's an additional 4 little clips that hold the bumper together. Once all that is off, the bumper will be off far enough so you can put this on there. Since I have replaced the actual left turn signal, the right turn signal eventually went out. So I am pulling the right portion of the bumper. Once I pull the right portion of the bumper, I didn't take off the left portion of it. I was able to stick my hand in through the top portion of it and actually work my way down and replace the actual turn signal. That's it. I got the 4 ways on just because I'll be able to check this bulb, and I'll be able to check this bulb at the same time. But other than that, like, my right turn signal and my left turn signal work.